Pinky, today is finally here and I couldn't be more excited. You are my beautiful girl and I would do anything just to see you smile and hold you in my arms. I love you so much and I can't wait to see you walking toward me in that chubby, gorgeous dress of yours. Soon it will be official and you'll be mine forever and stuff. I love you so much, little babe. Love, your man.
Okay. To my, in parentheses, almost husband. I can't believe the day is finally here. All of the planning, wedding appointments, and stress will be so worth it when I see your face smiling at me and in parentheses and maybe crying when I walk down the aisle. I love you from the bottom of my heart and I'm so excited for what the day has in store for us. In just a few hours, you'll be my husband and I'll be your wife. How cool is that? Happy wedding day to the love of my life. See you at the altar. Love always, Pinky. It says, you're the best decision I've ever made. Little arrow that says fact. That's awesome.
Catherine, I'd like to start by saying that I love you. I want to thank you for letting me into your life and into your heart. You changed my life by showing me how you live yours. You are the most kind and genuine human being I have ever known, and your intelligence, your courage, and your loyalty never cease to impress me, and I couldn't be prouder to be your man.
Michael, the past 4 years I spent with you have been nothing short of incredible. You've become my best friend, my confidant, my shoulder to cry on, and my biggest supporter. Being your partner has made me a better person, and I'm thankful for you every day.
I can't wait to start our family, and I promise to always go to very great lengths, to very great and very silly lengths, just to see you smile and make you laugh. Me. You are the woman of my dreams, and I'd like to finish by saying I love you.
I am so excited for what the future holds for us, and I'm so honored to become your wife and part of your family. I vow to always love and support you through the highest highs and the lowest lows. And I promise to never leave you stranded while mountain biking in Colorado ever again. Sorry about that. Michael, I love you from the bottom of my heart and can't wait to spend forever with you.
I love you, honey.
Catherine and Michael, you have heard the words about love and marriage. You have exchanged your vows and made your promises. And you have celebrated your union with the giving and receiving of rings. You may now kiss the bride. It is at this time that I now pronounce you husband and wife.
treat Catherine well. I will tell you that Michael fits the definition of a true gentleman, a quality very hard to find in a man anymore. Truly treats her the way she hoped for, like a little princess.
Kat, you are truly one of a kind. I can't put my love for you into words. You are the sister that I never had. Michael, thank you for being Kat's rock and making my best friend the happiest woman in the world.
So let's all raise our glasses and have a toast to the bride and the groom, Kat and Michael. May you have a marriage filled with endless laughter, love, happiness, and nicknames. I love you both very much, and thank God you both swiped right. Cheers.